the Madurai one could actually, now we are also collecting the global ESOLs. All the ESOLs are doing LearnWise. The same course 100101 that all of you are doing, the whole ESOL, all the Indian ESOLs across these countries are doing the same course. Okay? So they will also be connected on the LearnWise app. And if there is somebody doing African handicrafts in our African ESOL, and that ESOL gets to see a student doing Indian handicraft here in India, there can be an Indo-African collaboration between the student ESOLs. So the LearnWise platform is opening up to that very soon. So right now you can fill in the students, you can fill the activity, ventures are coming within next week or the week after next. And then we'll do this inter-collaboration. That's the only way to grow. So along with India, we are also expanding the world to our ESOL students. So make sure that everybody is on LearnWise. So I think more or less I have covered what I had to tell. Any questions? So there are some challenges that I am seeing. Faculty who are using this, rather than me talk, can you just give me some input on you're liking to do it, right? Can I have one of you just put up your hand and give me your feedback? Anybody? Yeah. Could you have a mic, please? Is there a mic? You're doing the course, ma'am? Yes.
Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Padmini. I represent SRM Balliyanadu Engineering. Our students are going through the LearnWise course S100. The batch size is 60. Now we run the program after college hours, after 4:30, between 4:30 and beyond. So what happens is college is in the suburban. It is a part of Kanchipuram district. So what happens is after the program, we have to get back home, which is in the city. Our only practical difficulty is that it will be nice if this program is included as part of our curriculum or the main schedule that we follow in the college during college hours. And for the content of the program, students are enjoying it and they are serious about it, and there is some attitudinal change also. Just 4 lessons we have been going through. The 5th one we will be taking it this week. Thank you.
Okay, so that is one challenge that I would like AICTE to address. It's a challenge that they are facing across colleges, is that it's not in the curriculum and they are struggling to balance it with the curriculum, right? Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, so I am kind of done with the presentation.
Because we have 2 more sessions to go, then we have your panel discussions. So let us press to the point, then we will make it. So of course we are happy to receive more suggestions on the curriculum activities going